Hey everyone, so I am doing this campaign for a sanitation and disinfecting business. As you know, with COVID-19, other people have found other ways to make money, which I think is awesome. Some people might call it a scam, but I actually did some research on this stuff, and they really do have these electrostatic sprayers and solutions that actually kill the COVID-19 virus within 2 minutes of contacting it. So we're doing the right thing here, so I believe. Let's talk about some of the audiences that I decided to try. So this is something I never done before, but was really excited to do, especially after I found out that this stuff actually works. So let's talk about my audiences. Remember, I always duplicate stuff at the campaign level, and I don't like to do a bunch of different ad sets because I don't trust Facebook with my money. They're going to do what's in their best interest, not mine. So here we go. So the first one that I did that has sanitation leads, that audience is just like an open audience. Okay. Number two is the same open audience with a different kind of picture. Number three is actually small business owner behavior because I want to land some commercial accounts if we can. The fourth one is almost the same thing. These are people with different job titles. Again, we're talking about audience research. In my mind, I'm like, okay, what kind of people are working around a bunch of other people and might be afraid of like the virus and might want this whole thing disinfected, right? So that's one. And so PWK is people with kids. OP is old people. NC is news channels. And one of the things I thought to myself, I'm like, so what kind of people might be more motivated to go ahead and get this thing done, sooner than later? And so I would think that it's people watching the news because they're probably believing every word of it, right? Eight are products. So I decided to target people who are interested in different disinfecting products. I think I'm saying it right. And so those are my audiences. Did I want to put together eight of these things? Absolutely not. But did I want it to be successful? Yes, I did. So I did what I had to do. And as you can see so far, let's see if we can refresh it and get lucky. Nope, not yet. So far, one customer over the course of the year is worth about $1,200 or more to this company. So I'm curious to see, as this campaign continues to go on, can I get the leads, at $5 a pop? Can I get them at six? Or hell, if I can get them at a steady $10 per lead, $8 per lead, I think that'll be all right. We also already had someone book an appointment, so I'm actually happy about that. And the other two, of course, I'll have to follow up. So anyway, that's what I'm doing, and I'm pretty excited about this. And just wanted to update you on just another new niche. Someone reached out to me and asked if I could do it. And so here it is. So hope you all are having a great month, and I will talk to you all later.